Hey, it's Sammy on October 14th. Bank holiday was yesterday. Everybody stepped back into the market. Today, we drove the market down deep and then reclaimed everything. The bulls stepped back in. Let's take a look and see how this all played out. These were our first plays pre-market. So we're coming in at 8:30 here. A little late to this trade, but this thing slams down. We're going to lock in trailing stop 30 points off the low of day right here by yesterday's low. Now this is our first low of day reversal trade. Notice how the short time frame data is reversed off the low of day, but we still are holding the high time frame data. So this is probably just a setup for the next short or a pullback we're trading. That's okay. We're gonna manually close with 29 points. We went all the way up, rolled over to 23.6, came back through support, and now we're trailing this down. We're going to trail this with 30 points right here. Notice how all that data came back into alignment. This is our real play of the day here to the short side. We are going to chase this flush down, all that data after the open. See how everybody got chopped out at the open. Now the data is finally all coming back into alignment. Multiple time frames, momentum, sentiment, volatility give you these giant moves. We trail this and end up with 78 points. Now this is a very aggressive trade I'm taking. We have really good sentiment, so we're gonna hop back in this. You can see we went up, slapped that zero. That's yesterday's low Fibonacci level. Rolled back over. The shift in price is what really we can see that our data is confirming. We're going to chase this down again and trail for 30 more points. Now our data is starting to get weaker, so this is going to be a little bit more risky. This is another reversion play we're taking here, a little pullback. We're going to go short one more time. Now, our algorithms are actually pointing to the long side already off the low of day, so we're going to just test that and lock in 42 points trailing. So remember what I just said on my previous trade I took to the short side. See how the algorithm actually captured the long move first. Now the data flipped over, and now we're taking the actual long move that the algorithm had already predicted. So we are going long right here, and we're trailing real aggressively. We're trying to work our way back up to the open price. Gonna lock in 57 points. This is the second part of the long. What we're doing here is we are coming through VWAP. We're gonna aim right up here under that 38.2 Fibonacci level, right around where VPOC keeps fluttering back and forth. All right, we thought we didn't get filled, but actually went in. We did get filled at 46.033 for 54 points.